Hello Mick, Mike, Burton Caravan Centre. Just doing the video of your Bailey Phoenix 644 handover video. Just starting down the off side of the caravan, at the rear end of the caravan. Cassette toilet, and above that we've got the freshwater fill. So you pour in fresh water for the flush on the toilet through here. You can add a pink fragrance as per the instructions on the bottle. Close that and use your key to lock. To get the cassette toilet out, you squeeze this orange handle vertical and you pull the cassette out. You turn the cassette through the spout through 90 degrees, unscrew the cap and empty the contents. Refill with blue chemical as per the instructions on the bottle. Turn back through 90 degrees, slide it back in. Just make sure that that's locked in the place there. Close that, use the key to lock. There's your two grey wastewater outlets. I'll show you the motor mover when you collect the caravan. Temporarily connect your gas bottle up to the caravan and the gas hose, which you'll need there, connected to the regulator. Water pumps connected to the aqua roll. To connect the water pump, simply just insert there and just push down that lid slightly, and that traps across there and stops it coming out. It's nice and tight. Make sure the pump's submerged in the water. Just move into the inside of the caravan. I've lifted up the front right hand cushions, and there, down there is the drain down for winter, the yellow toggle lying in the horizontal position. Leave that in the horizontal position for normal operation. Twist it vertical and leave vertical for drain down for winter. Nice, straightforward. As you come through the caravan door, on the right hand side is the power module from Bailey that brings the power into the caravan. So this is the mains power, that's down and that's bringing the power in. Pumps down, that's bringing water into the caravan. That's for the lights inside the caravan, and that's for the awning light outside. You can test for battery condition, 13.5 volts, so the battery's nice and healthy, all's good. We can then move on to the Truma system here for hot water and heating. So to start off with, press the middle button, the circular button in the middle, and we get the motorhome flashing come caravan. Press it again. There's the temperature, 22 degrees. We can turn the dial up or down. We've got it set at 22 degrees. Press the button again. It then moves. Turn the dial, twist it, and then the hot water symbol starts flashing. Press the circle again. You can have hot, you can have eco, you can have off, or you can have boost. If you put it onto boost, when you first arrive on site, basically it quickly heats up the hot water. Once it's heated up though, you must turn off boost and go onto hot or eco. Okay, so leave that on hot. Press the button again, turn it another increment. We've got a gas cylinder and electricity flashing. Press it again. We've got electric 2, electric 1. Okay, some sites have 16 amps of power, some have 10 amps of power, so you'll just have to fluctuate between the electric power source of 2 or 1. You can then twist it again and you can have a mixture of gas electric 2, gas electric 1. Again, it's dependent on the power source into the caravan from the campsite, or you can turn it again and purely have it on gas, just running on gas. Let's go back to electric 2 because we've got plenty of power here. Then finally turn it again, then we get the fan flashing. That blows the hot air through the caravan. You've got eco or you've got high there for the fan. Really straightforward to use, nice and simple. So let's just check we've got hot water coming through there. This has been on for half an hour now. Wow, yep, that's coming through lovely and warm. I'm more than happy with that. Gas hob, grill and oven, one igniter here on the right hand side does all. So let's just light a couple of burners. There we go. All working as they should. Just try the oven. Perfect. And finally the grill. Perfect. 2. So just behind me we've got the refrigerator, and Press and hold this button here, that switches the fridge off or on. Okay, currently we are on electric, and it's the mode button here. You can press and you can go on to automatic, so it draws gas and electric, and if one of them fails it'll go on to the other one. Or you can go on to vehicle battery. That's just alarming and flashing at the moment because we're not connected to a vehicle. You can have it on gas, go back to electric, then you can have temperature here, which you can just press, which increases, decreases the temperature of the fridge. Fridge, all the lights are on, working fine as it should. Just check the cool box because that's been on a while now. Yeah, that's starting to freeze up, so I'm more than happy with that. Microwave power is on, all good. Just to the rear of the caravan we've got the electric flush on the toilet, and we've got the slide valve there which empties the contents into the cassette below. And finally we've got vanity sink, plenty of pressure there, yep, and hot water coming through there. I'm not going to put the shower on because it's all been cleaned throughout, so I don't want to make a mess in there. All the lights are on in the caravan, everything's working as it should. So I'll get this sent over to you, and I look forward to seeing you when you collect your caravan.